Hi, I'm Evan, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Water Club Towns, the newest section of Cinnaminson Harbour, an established community with awesome amenities on the Delaware River in Cinnaminson, New Jersey. The community boasts river views, lots of green space, and walking trails. Completed amenities include the clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis courts, and much more. The homes at Water Club Towns don't disappoint either. Choose your finish to create a unique home to suit your style. 3 different light-filled floor plans offered here include up to 4 bedrooms and just under 2,300 square feet. Open concept floor plans make entertaining and living in your new home top-notch. You'll also have plenty of choices for shopping with a short ride to the Morristown or the Cherry Hill Mall, or enjoy a night out in Philly, which is only 5 miles away. Commuting will be easy from Water Club Towns too. The community is just 6 miles to the Betsy Ross Bridge and only 3 miles to the Tacony-Palmyra Bridge. The river line stops right across the street from the community. The resort life awaits you at Water Club Towns. Contact us today. We can't wait to meet you.